So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So today we know that the stock has given very good movement and it has sustained the 300 rupees level, and we can see currently it is trading near 304 rupees level. So previously when we have discussed about Tata Motors, we have discussed the complete technicals and also the various updates regarding this particular company. So today we'll see a few brokerages have updated the target, especially Motilal Oswal has given a target. So what is the next possible target of Tata Motors? So that also we'll try to find out. So today, considering the market scenario, we know that Nifty, Bank Nifty, so both of them have shown some correction, especially major stocks like HDFC Bank. So they have also corrected. So ultimately our stock Tata Motors has sustained the levels both technically as well as it is maintaining that balance. So we'll try to find out next targets also. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so let's start our discussion with today's traded quantity versus deliverable quantity. So if we see today's traded quantity, so you can see roughly 4 crore shares have been traded, and if we see how many shares have been taken as delivery, you can see 75,000 shares, 75 lakh shares have been taken as deliveries, and you can see percentage wise, you can see 18.91 is the percentage of delivery. So this is data around 1 p.m. So more 2.5 hours trading is almost present. So definitely little increase in deliveries may or may not be seen, but we can say this is a very good percentage for this particular stock. Okay, so coming to the update, so we know that today morning recently we know that Motilal Oswal has given an updated target of price 395 rupees. So you can see more high price. So earlier we know that some brokerages have downgraded, whether it may be Goldman Sachs, they've given few degraded ratings, but they clearly told so those doesn't matter, because when market is at a retracing level, definitely the buying will start from the lower levels itself. So many people know the potential of Tata Motors, so why will they try to sell? So definitely when market is correcting, everybody will try to find the opportunity, and that is what we have seen even in Tata Motors. That's why it has started retracing. So current price is 304, and you can see target price they have given is 395. And we know previously that the results of Tata Motors have also seen a very good jump, that is up almost 40% from previous quarter, which was almost 5.22% up. So financials wise also previously when we discussed the quarter results, that time also it has performed very well, especially when auto sector started reviving, especially because of the COVID-19. So many businesses have worked very well, especially auto sector and auto ancillary stocks. So they have shown their rally. Okay, so now let's compare day-to-day wise how Tata Motors has been taken as deliverables. So you can see from the past 5 to 6 days, you can see roughly 11 to 16% is the average deliveries which have been taken. So previously only 11.3% deliverables have been taken, and you can see positive movement wise, we can see 3% positive movement, 3.8% was seen in the last traded session. So after that 0.2 was the percentage, but previously we know that market has also corrected little bit, so everything has been compensated. So I clearly told you, so whatever downfall we see, basically that will be covered within a single stroke, especially in stocks which are having very good potential. So I told clearly, not only this stock, many stocks that I have discussed, whether it may be Tata Power, every stock. So when the fall is there, again definitely buying will come and they'll start retracing. Okay, so coming to the technical chart, so this is going to be very important, so make sure you watch this particular line very importantly. So you can see there is one moving average that we are discussing from previous video, so that is the 50-day exponential moving average, which was coming out to be near 294. So after that, when it has gone below that, again we have updated the levels. People who have asked in Telegram also, for them also I told you that 280 would be the next immediate support. But we know that it has approached near 282, 283, so that was the maximum. So I told clearly you can average at that particular level. So after that we have seen considerable retracement. So now what is the next immediate resistance? So you can see currently it is almost 2.41% positive and 304.20 is the current market price, and you can see next immediate resistance is 306. So that is where we are seeing a pivot point is present. So that is going to be very important in the coming days as as well. So if it crosses that and if it gives closing above it, then definitely we will be seeing 320 in the next week as well. Okay, so what is the important thing? So crossing 306 and closing above it is also very important. So many people are having doubts, so why only we need to enter here, so why not a little down? So reason is, so if you go little down, you will see money flow index. So where is money flow index? Money flow index also has touched the 20 mark. What does it mean? So whenever any stock, especially money flow index, it is touching 20, it means that the stock is oversold. That is, whatever the weakness is present in the stock that is selling, so that has been completed. So now it will start again retracing, because why? The buying will start at that particular levels. So that is why it has started retracing from that particular level. So simple concept, you can cross check not only with money flow index, you can cross check with RSI. So basically RSI may or may not, because RSI is strength. So whatever money flow index we see volume or buying or selling, whatever actual thing is there we need. So that is what money flow index gives us. So RSI also you can keep as a secondary confirmation. So that is secondary. So what is for primary? So seeing the technical chart, that is price action, so where it is taking the support and what is the resistance. So clearly we are seeing support wise 294 and resistance wise near term is 306. So that is the next possible thing that Tata Motors should face, and it should cross above that. Okay, so whatever I have discussed now is in 1 day chart. So clearly I tell, so 1 day chart we should not confirm anything. So we need to go further ahead, that is 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart also you can see 288 is the next support in the what you can say 1 week chart. So need to watch that 288 followed by 294 that were discussed in 1 day chart. So these are going to be very crucial. So apart from that, you can see little bit of this week we are seeing little bullishness. So whatever wicks we are seeing downside, so it is indicating the buying which is seen from the low levels. So this week if it closes very well, so some bullish type candle is being formed, so let it complete. So this week if it completes with a complete bullishness, then definitely in the coming sessions we may see some potential, and wherever it has started correcting, it should start approaching that. So that's what we have discussed. Patience is required. So if you want to generate any wealth without patience, we can't do that. So money flow index also you can see now it has started retracing. Okay, so apart from that, if you see moving averages, especially 200-day moving average and 50-day exponential moving average, both of them are coming to closer. So whenever small moving average cuts a greater moving average, that is small moving average 50-day, when it crosses a larger day moving average 200, that is again a bullish indication. So that also we have discussed in previous videos. So make sure you watch the support clearly. So now currently it is above 300, so that is well and good. So immediate next resistance is 306. If it crosses that, definitely 320 plus may be seen in the stock. Okay, so further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can message me in Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.